Hey travelers, let's talk about Flying Blue. If you don't know it, it's Air France and KLM's loyalty program, and it offers some of the best points and miles rates to book flights to Europe, whether it's economy, premium economy, or business class. And that can be flying Air France or KLM themselves, but also their partners like Virgin Atlantic and maybe most importantly, Delta. When Delta flights get really expensive when you pay with cash or with SkyMiles, Flying Blue will sometimes offer huge savings on those same exact flights. The problem is, Flying Blue's website is really clunky. It takes a little bit of patience, but if you know where to look, it can offer some insane value for your points and miles. Let's take a look.
All right, the first thing I want to show you about Flying Blue is just how easy it is to actually get these points into your account. You might have some and not even know it. So check out this page on Flying Blue's website. It shows you all of their transfer partners. So if you have points like Amex membership rewards or Capital One Venture points or Chase Ultimate rewards, as well as anything else on this list, you can transfer your points to Flying Blue one-to-one. Sometimes that even gets better if there's a transfer bonus. But say you have some of these points and you make a transfer over to your Flying Blue account, it's also not terribly hard to search for really cheap flights. So I want to show you quickly on airfrance.us, which is how I recommend you search from the United States. You go down here into the booking area below whatever banner is up here, and you can either do book a flight. This book a flight tab will be what you do to search for cash flights. If you want to book using your points and miles, you're just going to go book with miles. Now, one important thing to note with Flying Blue, always search one way. I know you might want to book a round trip ticket. There's actually no benefit to doing so with Air France. They price out their tickets one way and then just add them up in the end anyway. So if you're going to use your Air France KLM Flying Blue miles, search for one-way flights, just book 2 of them, and then piece them together as an itinerary. So I'm going to search for some business class flights here, and one route that I know is going to have some business class availability is Ottawa to Paris. So we're going to search one way. We'll put in Ottawa as our departure, Paris as our arrival city, and I'm looking for some business class, and I want to go this summer. So I'm going to type in July 9th. What we found, especially on this route and some of the routes out of Canada using Air France KLM Flying Blue, is that there is wide open business class availability. And right now, Air France is running what they call promo rewards, which means they're taking a good chunk off of the main price, which should usually be 60,000 points. So right now, this is offered for just 45,000 points each way during peak summer. Pretty fantastic deal flying Air France. So you can look into this fare a little bit more. You'll see that it's a business promo fare. It gets you everything that you could possibly want. You're looking at a €70 change or refund fee, but for huge cost savings on your points and miles, it's a pretty good one. If you want to look for something in a lower cabin, you go right here and you can toggle this over to economy. It'll think for 1 second and then it'll bring up all of the fares that are available to you. So this lowest 25,000 point fare, pretty good. If you want to sit in premium economy, get a little extra legroom and some recline, only 40,000. And then of course this beautiful business class promo fare for just 45,000. So that is a look at how to find these flights. I want to show you another option here. Let's say you want to book with one of Air France KLM's partners. I live here in Minneapolis. I rely on flying Delta, but Delta gets to charge almost whatever they want out of Minneapolis. I'm what's called a hub captive. So I have to use partner airlines to book Delta flights for cheap. So I want to look for a quick flight, Minneapolis to Chicago. It's not much. I know that Delta flies that route. I'm going to put in April 16th, sometime in the middle of spring, and an economy flight right here, one adult, and again, searching one way. I'm going to click search flights, and what's going to come up are all of these Delta fares that are available. And as you can see, it is not very many points that are required to book these. These Delta fares are pretty slick. All of them are non-stop. You can see some connecting itineraries, although I don't know why you'd want to. You can even get up front in the first class cabin, which on Air France KLM's website, they call business here. But as you can see, this is a regular old Delta flight. And the beauty of it is when you use KLM Flying Blue miles, you get booked right into the main cabin. So you're Coming at it with a carry-on bag already. You don't get checked bag, but you get free seat selection. And the same changeable for €70 fee applies for these as well. So that's a great way to book a partner flight, especially Delta flights with Flying Blue. And one last thing, I want to show you a trick here. If you're having trouble finding availability, go to the same Book with Miles. Everything lines up the same. We'll do the same Ottawa to Paris itinerary here. But if you want to see a calendar view, KLM Flying Blue does not offer a calendar view to the public anymore, but there is a way to find it still. You're going to want to scroll all the way to the very end of the calendar. Click on that very last day that they'll sell you a flight and press search. Now, they're going to show up with these offensively priced tickets right here. And you're just going to keep clicking days and keep clicking days until they don't let you anymore. So at this point, this is almost exactly a year from now that I'm looking. And if you click far enough out, what they'll do is they'll bring you to the calendar. Now, the Ottawa flight is pretty wide open, as you can see. But if you wanted to fly in another month, you can tick through these months right here, see which days on the calendar are still cheapest, and that way you can choose whichever one you want and book that way. Like I said, this is another huge reason why you should only be searching for one-way flights as well. So, have fun with Flying Blue's website and be patient.
Well, that's Flying Blue. It's not a terribly cumbersome or hard program to use, but I do recommend that most North American travelers at least get familiar with it, especially if you want to book some really cheap points and miles flights to Europe, or if you're booking Delta flights routinely, you should get to know this program. Even if the website can give you some hassle sometimes, there are some really great features to use. And because it prices awards dynamically, you can almost always find a seat on the plane. It just might be for a few more points. We search for Flying Blue award availability every single day. So when prices drop during their promo rewards every month, or just any old day of the year, Thrifty Traveler Premium members get a flight deal alert sent to them. If you want to join us, go to thriftytraveler.com/premium. I promise the service is amazing. Thanks for watching along. I hope you can make your next booking through Flying Blue and get to Europe for cheap this year. Happy booking.